Guy will talk about how can you find people who want to meet you on your Switch meetup. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. You just click on it here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, so you just click here on want to meet here. You just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. So you're going to skip this ads. So then here you will find all the people who want to meet you here in this list. So I have no one here, but if you have them, you will find them here in this list on your app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.